Hey guys, this is how to get channel ID of any YouTube channel. So let's get into it. The first thing that you need to do is to simply open your YouTube channel studio, and here in the left menu simply click on the settings option. So such type of the pop-up window will open for you. Simply click on the channel option here in the left menu, and now click on the advanced settings at the top. So once you are here, simply scroll all the way down at the bottom, and in the other settings simply click on the first manage YouTube account option. Alright, at this interface you have to simply click on the last option, which is the advanced settings in the left menu, and now here you can find the user's ID as well as channel ID of your YouTube channel. So simply click on the copy option in front of the channel ID in order to copy it, and you can also find here your user ID of your YouTube channel. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a big help for you.